This is Ian, author of the Lean Media book blog and video channel, available from leanmedia.org. Today I'm going to be talking about creating a U.S. Postal Service scan sheet from within Shopify. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. Disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms and your experience may be different than what I'm going to show you. And here's what I'm going to show you. If you have a Shopify account, and let's say it's a peak period, you're putting together and shipping out dozens or even hundreds of packages every day, you know that the post office doesn't like you to show up with a big tub full of packages that they have to scan one by one. The Shipping Manifest app right here will help you create a single sheet of paper which includes all of the items that you're shipping that day. So they just have to scan one barcode. It gets everything in there. So let's just take a quick look at it. First of all, you have to have it installed on your Shopify store. It may not be available to you depending on where you, what type of account you have, or if you're in the U.S. or not in the U.S. But if you are in the U.S. and you have access to it, get it. It will really make the post office like you a lot more. I'm saying this from experience because last year, we would show up with 3 tubs full of packages and they really didn't like to scan them one by one. So here's how it works. Once you have the Shipping Manifests app, the day that you're going to be shipping stuff out, press the Create Manifest button. So it's showing no labels found. Part of the reason for that is because I'm not looking at the proper place. So if it was a post office box, that's our location, it's still going to say no labels found. And the reason is because I haven't created any labels today. But let's just go back to the list of previous labels. So Friday, we created 4 labels. I'm going to open that one up. So pretend it's Friday. We shipped 4 items out today via U.S. Postal Service. They haven't picked them up yet. I'm going to click for the day. It will show you the labels on this manifest and the order numbers, kind of where they're going. And let's hover over that. A manifest can only be created for the current shipping date. This means that if, let's say that it's a Monday and you created a label on Sunday and then you created 4 labels on Monday, the label from Sunday won't show up on this manifest. It's only the ones that you've created that day for the U.S. Postal Service. So UPS is not included, FedEx is not included. Basically what you do is you create print manifest, and this is the scan form. This is the scan this is the barcode they're going to use, and it's going to have the four postal barcodes for the Shopify orders I created that day. Now, it's important to note that this scan sheet will not include other U.S. Postal Service barcodes that you may have generated that day. Let's say, for instance, we sell on Amazon too. The Amazon ones, we have to generate the scan sheet separately using Amazon. If we purchased a label ourselves on USPS.com or PayPal, that would not be included in the scan sheet. So most platforms, they let you create a scan sheet. I'm happy to say Shopify does it now as well. It will really make things a lot easier for the post office during the holidays. So I urge you to install the app. It's called Shipping Manifests, and it lets you create a what's called a scan sheet for the post office. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the founder of Lean Media and the author of the Lean Media book blog and video channel. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can see more of my videos and blog posts on leanmedia.org. Thank you so much for watching.